for everybody to make. Right now, it is about 1 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't sleep. I was thinking about this recipe. This recipe was handed down by my mother. She loved to make these pies. No cooking involved, all right? But what it does consist of is 6 ingredients. You have cream cheese, all right, at room temperature. You got sweetened condensed milk, 1 can. You have vanilla extract, okay. You have lemons, and you have a pie, which is Kibla. I think it's Kibla. Yes, Kibla graham crust pie, crust. And we have 1 can of chilled cherries in its sauce. All right. So, well, first thing first. Give me a glass of wine here. Feeling kind of frisky tonight. All right. So, what we're gonna do? The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get you a little closer view. All right. So, let me get set up, and we're gonna get you a hands-on view of what I'm doing to make this simple, delicious, elegant cherry cream cheese pie. So if y'all guys can bear with me, I'll be right back. Okay, what we're gonna do now for this cherry cream cheese pie, this simple, elegant cherry cream cheese pie, is that we have 1 Philadelphia cream cheese, brick of cream cheese. That's all it takes, is that 1. All right. I love cream cheese. Now what we're gonna do, we're going to cream this cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. All right, so I'm gonna lock it down and let's get the creaming. All right, so let this cream and I'll be back. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna stop it and I wanna scrape down because I want this as creamy as it can be. All right, so I am going to remove it. The sides a little straight now. Back in the middle. And you will love this. Very lovely. I'll give you a look at what she looks like. This is what she looks like. Alright, you want the consistency just like this. Alright, so attach it back. Now what I'm going to do, add my condensed milk. And I'm going to whip the hell out of this. This is all incorporated. But I want to make sure I get everything out of this can here. Alright, so once I get everything out of this can, alright, all the condensed milk is in. Lock it down and let it rest like a potato chip. And I'm going to let this mix until it's very well incorporated, and I'm going to let you see what it's supposed to look like. Alright? So I'll be right back. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm definitely going to give it a scrape down. She needs to be scraped down. All that cheese off the side. That's cheese. All off. Because you don't want, let's see. It's all going to be incorporated back into the let's get it locked down. And let's get it start mixing back up again. Alright. So that's all it takes right here. This process right here. And like I said, I will give you the final view of what it's supposed to look like and the consistency. So stay tuned. Okay, right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to slow it down. I'm going to slow it down. And I'm going to add the there we go. Now we're going to pick up the pace right now and get it all incorporated. Okay, once again, what I'm going to do now, so right now, what we have in here is green cheese, 1 foot cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk right now. Alright. Get it all mixed down. And this part right here is for the chef itself. Alright. Now we can continue to mix, lock it down, and turn it on high. And let it go. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to turn it on low. About 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Repeat, 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Any more, it's not going to work. Alright. There we go. She's locked down, and now we're going to turn her up. And this is the final ingredient and the last step before you pour it itself. So, be right back. Okay, since we put the lemon juice in, I'm going to turn her off and give it its last final swing. Alright. She's looking good. She's looking real good. Oh yeah. This is the way it's supposed to be. I tell everybody, listen, cooking is easy, it's not hard. It might be intimidating, but it's not hard at all. Use your imagination of what you want to eat, how you want to eat, what it will taste like, how you want it to taste like. You own it. Like this pie here. There's nothing to change in this recipe. Anything else you do, don't be scared. It's actually very easy. It's very interesting. Alright, so I got this all straight down, put it back on, lock down, and turn it back on. Give it a high mix and let it rip. Alright, this batter cream cheese pie is done. So what we're going to do, unlock it, shut it down, unlock it, turn it down. And I will show you the consistency of it. That's what we're looking at. That's what you're looking at. Alright? Now, this pie is going to go into the refrigerator for 24 hours. Alright? That lemon juice is going to set this pie up where it'll be nice and firm. So when you cut it to a slice. It's not where it's not, you're going to be cutting into it and get a flat tire, if you know what I mean. If you cut fill it up. All right. If this pie crust, it's a store bought, but if you can make your own, make your own pie crust. It's basically graham crackers. Okay. So what I'm gonna do. Now, also remember this, when you're making this pie, make sure that you put your cherries or whatever flavor you decide to put on this pie is in the refrigerator overnight. You need them to be chilled. All right? So you just want to come up to the edges and just smooth it out. Like I said, this pie, what time is it now? About 1:25 a.m. in the morning. Loving it. All right. See what I'm doing? It's evening out. It's definitely evening out. And with that lemon juice, that 1/3 cup, it's gonna make this pie, it's gonna firm up. All right. Press down on it. You know, what's that? Press down on it. Press down on it. Just get it nice and smooth out. As best as you can. You don't have to be perfect about it. But you see how much is on that this little spatula here? That's pie. That's how good it is. Alright? Perfect. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my God. And this rest is mine. Alright? I'm going to take it right now. Oh, that is so good. And like I said, it was mine. Alright. So now what I'm going to do now, the cover that it comes with, I'm going to cover it. Lock it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's all you need to do right now. Now in 24 hours, the next day, tomorrow night, I am going to open up this cream cheese pie, and I'm going to add the cherries to it. All right, before serving. Okay. Now, when you serve this pie will go. This is the end of the pie because it's that